In this video, I'm going to demonstrate another use of Elgon's Elevated Universal PoE mount. I'm skipping the mount details as we cover those in other videos. Today's use case is a PoE dome camera mounted on a 3/4 inch 10-foot PVC pole at an elevation of 21.5 feet. The Elgon accessory I'm using will also accommodate a 3/4 inch EMT pole. I'm using a 24-foot telescoping pole. You can find details on our website for the poles we recommend. This configuration is indoor use only. To provide a higher demonstration, I'm doing this outside, which also means I have a bush in the way of where I would ideally be standing and a breeze, which does increase the difficulty. I'm using the self-guiding design to lock in the device and make the PoE connection. I'm following our recommended protocol and leaving the telescoping pole in place while I use a second pole with the Elgon key accessory to engage the latch, which prevents the device from being removed or bumped off during any removal process. Once the Elgon key is inserted, a simple 90-degree turn clockwise will latch the device. I'll push up with the telescoping pole to test it's locked in place. I'll remove the poles and then demonstrate removing the device we installed. I'm following Elgon best practices, which is to first install the telescoping pole used to remove the camera mount assembly. I don't want to unlock the device before I fully insert the pole. This will avoid the pole pushing the device off the mount before it's locked on to the telescoping pole. By allowing the pole to hang from the assembly, I'm assured the pole is securely connected. Pushing up indicates the device is still latched. I'll now use my second pole to turn the latch 90 degrees counterclockwise, allowing the removal of the assembly. With my Elgon key pole retracted and stowed away, I can now move the assembly with my telescoping pole, lowering the assembly in a controlled manner. Keep the pole perpendicular straight up and down, just as we did when we installed it. Note, just as in the first installing step, keep the telescoping pole longer than the camera assembly to avoid the camera lens making contact with the floor.